Hi anime lovers, this is Anirudh. Today I am going to give a review of one such popular anime series, that is Rent a Girlfriend. Please watch, subscribe, like, share and comment. The creator of Rent a Girlfriend manga series, written and illustrated by Reiji Miyajima. Rent a Girlfriend manga series eventually led to an anime adaptation by one of the prominent studios by TMS Entertainment. Kazuya Kinoshita is a 20-year-old college student who has a wonderful girlfriend, the bright and sunny Mami Nanami. But suddenly he doesn't. Without warning, Mami breaks up with him, leaving him utterly heartbroken and lonely. Seeking to soothe the pain, he hires a rental girlfriend through an online app. His partner is Chizuru Mizuhara, who through her unparalleled beauty and cute demeanor manages to gain Kazuya's affection. But after reading similar experiences other customers had with Chizuru, Kazuya believes her warm smile and caring personality were all just an act to toy with his art, and he rates her poorly. Aggravated, Chizuru lambasts him for his shameless hypocrisy, revealing her true part and hot-tempered self. This one-sided exchange is cut short. However, when Kazuya finds out that his grandmother has collapsed, they dash toward the hospital and find Kazuya's grandmother already in good condition. Baffled by Chizuru's presence, she asks who this girl might be. On impulse, Kazuya promptly declares that they are lovers, forcing Chizuru to play the part. But with Kazuya still hung upon his previous relationship with Mami, how long can this difficult client and reluctant rental girlfriend keep up their act? The most important element in a shonen anime required is character development. Along with Kazuya and Chizuru, there are other characters who have their respective objectives and ideals in this anime series. In Rent a Girlfriend anime series, there are plenty of interesting plots which boosts the story. The concept of Rent a Girlfriend is a unique and interesting factor which the story revolves around this, and which makes this anime series much more interesting. The side characters in this anime series doesn't have much role as it is very limited. In Rent a Girlfriend anime series, we get to see plenty of humor, romance, comedy, etc., which are impressive. Main characters in this anime series are cute and beautiful in broad perspective. The story is fast paced, which is a great prospect for Rent a Girlfriend anime series. In this anime series, I liked the intensity of the seriousness and maturity of the main characters during some moments. At last, I want to say that character development in Rent a Girlfriend anime series is admirable. The Rent a Girlfriend manga series adopted by one of the prominent studios by TMS Entertainment. TMS Entertainment have produced several well-known anime series such as The Rose of Versailles, Detective Conan, Kenichi, The Mightiest Disciple, etc. It is a great prospect for this anime series that TMS Entertainment is involved. The animation and visual effects of this anime series is impressive. The presentation of characters in Rent a Girlfriend anime series are beautiful. The animation of background themes are bright. The colors used in this animation is vibrant, beautiful in this anime series. I love the consistency of quality animation, which is a great aspect for Rent a Girlfriend anime series. At last, I want to say that in Rent-A-Girlfriend anime series, the animation is impressive. When it comes to music, music played a prominent role in each and every aspect of the Rent-A-Girlfriend anime series. The opening theme performed by Peggy's is incredible, but when it comes to the ending themes performed by Alka are not appealing in the Rent-A-Girlfriend anime series. The standard of music is good. The background music did a great job in each and every aspect of this anime series. The music in this anime series is refreshing and pleasant. The background music of the Rent-A-Girlfriend anime series is worth mentioning regarding the humor, comedy, emotions, romance, etc. are great. At last, I want to say that music in the Rent-A-Girlfriend anime series didn't disappoint me. In this segment, I am going to mention about the special specifications in the Rent-A-Girlfriend anime series. The Rent-A-Girlfriend anime series comes under the genre of comedy, romance, school, shonen. In the first season of Rent-A-Girlfriend anime series consists of 12 episodes. According to me, the first season of Rent-A-Girlfriend anime series looks promising. I want to acknowledge the efforts and hard work of Reiji Miyajima, TMS Entertainment to produce Rent-A-Girlfriend anime series. I really enjoyed and loved the Rent-A-Girlfriend anime series. If you want to watch Rent-A-Girlfriend anime series, then I recommend it to anyone who loves romantic comedy. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked my Rent-A-Girlfriend anime review.